Hey there, and welcome. So, you're ready to start building your own amazing world with code? Well, you are in exactly the right spot. Let's get you geared up for the journey, because this isn't just some boring setup guide. Oh no, this is step one of your awesome coding adventure. And that right there is what this is all about. It's the big promise. You get to take whatever you can imagine and actually bring it to life. It's going to be a blast, and it all kicks off with getting your gear ready. So, before any great adventure starts, what does the hero have to do? They've got to gear up. So think of this whole setup thing as your very first quest, acquiring your essential equipment. And don't you worry, it's super, super simple. And you want to know the best part? This whole big quest, it's just 2 missions. That's it. 2 simple, easy steps. We're going to fly through this. Okay, so here's the game plan. Mission 1, we get our guidebook. That's basically the digital textbook that's going to guide you on your journey. Then, mission 2, we install our toolkit. That's the mobile app, where all the magic happens and you build your creations. So a map and some tools, simple enough, right? Let's go grab them. All right, mission number 1, let's do this. We're officially on the hunt for our digital guidebook. And really, you should think of this as like the secret map for your entire coding journey. And finding this map, it's so easy. I'm not kidding, it's just 3 quick little steps, and I'm going to walk you through each and every one. You ready? Okay, let's get into it. Step 1 is easy. Just go to robogram.net and find that login button up in the top right. Got it? Cool. Now for step 2. After you log in, look up at the top right again. See that little icon with the 4 squares? Give that a click. Then you'll see a Members Only tab. Select that and go to My Page. This is kind of like your home base. And for the final step, step 3, just scroll down till you see My Web Textbook. Find your course and smash that Open Web Textbook button. And boom, just like that, you did it. Mission 1 is complete. Your guidebook is now open and it's ready to lead the way anytime you need it. Awesome job. Okay, map in hand, it's time for mission number 2. Let's get our tools. We're going to install the mobile app, and this is your powerful toolkit. It's what you're going to use to bring all those incredible ideas in your head to life. And believe it or not, this one's even quicker. So, first thing, grab your phone or tablet, open up the Google Play Store. Next, up in the search bar, you're just going to type in Robome. That's R-O-B-O-M-I. And third, once you spot the right app, just tap that big green install button. You're practically done. Now, you might see a couple of things pop up when you search, so listen up. This is important for finding the right one. You want to make sure you pick the app that's published by the Robome AI Robot Research Institute. And hey, just look for that cute little Robome icon. That's how you'll know you've got the right one for sure. Okay, listen close. This is a major pro tip. It is so important. When you open that app for the very first time, it's going to ask you to log in. You have to use the exact same email and password that you used on the website. That's the secret sauce that makes sure your guidebook and your toolkit are perfectly synced up. And that's it. You're done. Your setup is totally complete. You are officially geared up and 100% ready to start your coding adventure. Seriously, congratulations. That's right. Mission complete. You just crushed your first quest, and you've got everything you need to start building. Feels pretty good, doesn't it? So let's just take a second and recap what you've got now. You have your guidebook. That's all your knowledge. It's your map. And you have your toolkit. That's the app that lets you turn your imagination into something real. With those 2 things working together, you are unstoppable. The prep work is all done. So there's really only one question left, and it's the most exciting one. With these incredible tools right in your hands, what are you going to create first? Your adventure is just getting started.